Hi, this is Chloe. You've reached Bella's Bistro. What can I help you with today?
Hi Chloe, can I place an order?
Of course. I'd be happy to take your order. Could you please start by telling me your name?
Sure, my name is Sophie.
Thank you, Sophie. And what would you like to order today?
Can I order a Caesar salad?
Great choice. Would you like anything else with your Caesar salad?
No, that's all.
Perfect. Now, is this order for pickup or delivery?
Delivery.
Got it. Could you please provide me with your delivery address?
Sure, it's 55 Sunshine Way.
Thank you for that. Now, could I have your phone number, please?
Let's build a super easy AI voice agent that takes restaurant pickup and delivery orders. There are a lot of possibilities with AI restaurant receptionists. They can do things like schedule reservations, confirm delivery status, and check menu pricing. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an AI agent that collects customer data that automatically populates in an order management system. And since we're just getting started, we'll use Google Sheets as our order management system. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Sophie, and I build AI voice agents on this channel with my friend Uj to help businesses capitalize on their customer service. All right, let's get started. First, let's head over to RetellAI. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free, and you'll land on this dashboard where you'll have the option to create an agent. And when you click create an agent, you'll see several options, like conversation flow agent, single prompt, multi-prompt, custom LLM. And there's a little description about the differences between each one. A single prompt agent will work perfectly for what we're doing today. It's great for handling simple tasks. And a multi-prompt agent would be for something with a little bit more complex logic. So let's click single prompt agent. You can see there are a few templates we can start with, or you can start from scratch. I'm going to start from scratch. Now let's choose the system for our agent. Right now it's set on GPT-4o, and you can see how much it costs per minute compared to the other options. And GPT-4o mini is much, much cheaper, and it'll get the job done just as well. So we're gonna choose mini. It's great for simple task handling, but if we were doing something more complex, maybe we would use 4o instead. Next, we're gonna choose a voice for our agent. There are a ton to choose from. I personally like the voice of Chloe, but if you don't like any of these, you can also add a custom voice through 11 Labs. Next, we're gonna go into Chloe's settings and increase her voice speed just a little bit because I don't like it when voice agents talk really slow. I find it unbearable. So let's just up it a little bit. Like a little goes a long way here. Okay, now let's do the prompt. There are two frameworks I like to use for prompting. The first is to outline the role, the context, the task, and the specifics. And the second framework is to outline the role, the rules, the steps, and the skills. And that's the one we're gonna be using today. So I have my framework here. I have my whole prompt here. I'm just gonna paste it in and I'll walk you through it. So you can see I've said the role is a restaurant order assistant. The rules are to be polite, friendly, and efficient. The steps are to greet the customer, take their order, confirm if it's pickup or delivery, and then collect the customer's information. And for the skills, it's basically the same as the steps, just to collect and confirm the customer's info. We're not doing anything else elaborate here. So when the customer calls, the AI voice agent should introduce itself. So it'll say, hi, this is Chloe, and you've reached Bella's Bistro. And the goal is to collect all of the caller's information, like their name, their phone number, if the order is for delivery, they should collect the delivery address, and so on. And before ending the call, the AI voice agent should just confirm that there's nothing else it can help with. So we're going to click save, and you can see there's another field here for the welcome message, and it's set to user initiates. So if I call the restaurant, the voice agent will pick up, but it's not going to say anything, which is not great customer service. So we're going to change it to AI initiates and begins with a dynamic message. So this means that it'll be creative with how it greets the customer, and it might be a little different every time someone calls. But you can also start with a defined begin message here. Okay, perfect. Let's go into the functions. Functions are where you can connect your AI agent to real-world systems like your delivery services or your order management system. We're just going to use one of the built-in functions for now called end call. And this is going to give our AI agent the ability to end the call when the conversation is over, so it doesn't go on and on and on into infinity and beyond. And then you're getting charged for all of those extra minutes. So let's click save. And you can also add parameters for ending the call, like I have here in my prompt. And you can also add those parameters here in the description as well. Next, let's go into knowledge base. We're not going to use knowledge base for this video, but it's good to know what it is. So a knowledge base would be great for something like your hours of operation or dress code or menu pricing, things that don't change, and you want your agent to refer to those things. This is a great place to store that information. But if you want to connect your AI voice agent to a menu that updates in real time, like if you have a weekly or daily special, I think that's a better option. So for now, we're not using knowledge base. So let's go right into speech settings. In speech settings, I like to add a little bit of background noise. It makes it feel more like a human experience, like a real person is picking up the phone in a real restaurant. So let's add the background noise coffee shop. And right next to it, we can adjust the loudness. And I like to take it down a bit so it's not distracting and it doesn't interfere with the quality of the conversation. And you can see responsiveness is already set to high. This is how fast the agent responds. We'll also keep the interruption sensitivity high. So say the voice agent is reciting all of my information back to me and there's an error, I can stop them mid-sentence and they'll stop talking. I don't fiddle with any of the other speech settings. Sometimes I'll enable back channeling, which gives the AI voice agent the ability to say, yeah, okay, while I'm talking. It makes it sound more human and it's more engaging. So if you want to add that, you can, but actually let's leave it off for now. Under call settings, we're going to take this down to 2 minutes. So say that the restaurant gets called by, it's just spam or a prank call or the connection is bad. The call will end after 2 minutes. And then we'll take down the max call duration to, let's say, under 10 minutes, just to keep it realistic. You know, you're not taking someone's order for 10 minutes. We want to make sure that this is efficient. And then for now, we're going to skip post-call analysis and security settings, and then I'll go into webhook settings in a little bit. So at this point, our AI voice agent will be able to carry a conversation. It will be able to collect all my information and confirm all my details and end the call when our conversation is over. But it's not connected to our order management system just yet. So none of that information is being recorded or saved anywhere. So let's jump into how we can create that automation on make.com. If you don't have a Make account, you can create one for free, and you can also do this automation for free. It's nothing fancy. So I'm gonna walk you through each step of this flow here. You're gonna start by creating a webhook module. This is gonna be the connection between Retell and Make so that it can exchange information. You're gonna see there's a link here, and we're gonna take that link and paste it in our webhook settings under agent level webhook URL. Okay, the next module is a completion prompt. A completion prompt just means that the webhook is going to feed ChatGPT an input, and ChatGPT is going to produce an output based on the parameters that we give it. Before I click into this, you can see that I have a filter here. So every time a customer calls our AI voice agent, 3 events will be sent to Make, and it will be call started, call analyzed, and call ended. And we don't want all 3 to go through this flow because not all 3 will work. What we want to do is set the condition to event and then text operators equal to call _ analyzed. That way the transcript can go through our flow. And then we're going to click save. Next, let's go into our ChatGPT completion prompt. You can also use DeepSeek for this. Right now, DeepSeek's website is down, so I can't show it right now, but definitely let me know if you want to see that in another video. You're going to connect this to your OpenAI account and choose GPT-4o system. We're going to use GPT-4o system because this is a simple evaluation and this is a reliable model. O1 is a reasoning model that would be overkill for what we're trying to do here. But say we did make this more complex and we were trying to collect 10 to 20 inputs, we might want to upgrade to a more intense model like O1. But for now, it's pretty simple. Next, we're going to select developer/system for the role, and then put in the parameters for our output. So very conversationally, I've written, read the transcript that we get from the webhook and output the following fields in this format. And I formatted it as a JSON object, where first name, last name, address, and so on, those are all column headers in our Google Sheet. The next module is a parse JSON module, and this is going to take the output of the completion prompt and format it in a way that Google Sheets can receive it. So under JSON string, we're going to go here and select the result, which is the JSON object. The next step is to connect it to your Google Sheet. So you'll connect this to your Google Drive account, and you'll be able to select the document from the drop-downs in each field. And after that, we'll go down to values, and in each field where it says first name, last name, and so on, we'll select the value from our parse JSON module. And you'll have to run a call before getting to this stage so that these values appear. Always test as you go. So here's the Google Sheet that I've created. You can see the column headers are first name, last name, phone number, address, credit card. These are all of the data points that we want to collect. And every time we have a phone call, I'm getting a phone call. Every time our voice agent gets a phone call, all of the customer data will be run through our Make.com automation and then automatically populate in this sheet. So let's test it out.
Hi, this is Chloe. You've reached Bella's Bistro. What can I help you with today?
Hi, Chloe. Can I order a margarita pizza?
Of course. A margarita pizza sounds delicious. Is this order for pickup or delivery?
This is for delivery.
Thank you for the information, Walter. Just to recap, you have ordered a margarita pizza for delivery to 55 Sunshine Way, and your payment will be made by card ending in 444. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, that's it, thanks.
Thank you for your order, Walter. Your margarita pizza will be on its way shortly. Have a great day.
All right, so now you can see after this call, all of our data is populated in our Google Sheet. And that's it, you've got a super easy AI voice agent. Let me know if you want any more details on any of the steps. I know I went through it a little bit fast, but I'll be doing a whole series on RetellAI and Make.com. Feel free to book a call with us in the description below if you're interested in implementing AI voice agents in your business. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.